Yo, what's up, you guys? Little Stocks Bro here, giving you your daily update on my options account. How much am I up? How much am I down? What I bought, what I sold, and god damn, today was a red day. So, we did some buying, okay? We did a lot of buying today. That's what we do on red days. We buy. Today, though, there was so much pain in the NASDAQ, so much pain for tech stocks, so much pain, in fact. I went and got this. And every time I was thinking about opening the Robinhood app, I would just look at this and I would know not to open the app because I already knew what was in store. So let's go and check out why exactly I hesitated so much to open my Robinhood app today. Let's take a look. And there you have it, y'all. There you have it. Man, did I get blasted today. I got completely blasted. Woof. So the account is down I don't even want to say that number, $4,371 today. $4,371 in one day. There is a culprit for that. We'll get to that culprit. There's a reason that it's down so much today. We'll get to that. But check this out, guys. So we started the day at around $19,000. Reasonable. And then we went down. And then we went down some more, and then we went down some more, and then hope, destroyed. So yeah, today was a pretty painful day for me, but let's take a look at the 4 stocks that I own options in and see what they did today. Let's scroll down here, look at all those red options. Let's start with AMD. All right, AMD. So AMD, down about 2.4% today. Not too crazy. In total, I'm down $374 on the position. I still own both the contracts. AMD was actually positive for a split second earlier in the day, but then of course everything went to hell after that. So if we take a look at the 1 month on AMD, the correction lows, as I like to call it, for AMD's around $74, which is about $2 away right now. So we could be figuring out soon if AMD will break below that. But speaking of breaking below the recession lows, let's hop back and take a look at Palantir. Palantir got blasted today. And the reason I say that is not only because it was down 5.9%, but if we take a look at the 1 month, recession lows, $22. Palantir broke below $22. So Palantir is already worse off than during the recession lows. That's kind of scary. That's kind of alarming. But let us not forget that Palantir is a really good company with a lot of future growth potential. So if you're in this one, you own shares for the long term, you have nothing to worry about, okay? Nothing to worry about. This is just short-term pain. A lot of pain, but short-term. So let's hop back. And next up is Baba. Good old Alibaba. So Baba took a beating today, down 3.4%, down $8, straight line down, barely any push upwards. Take a look at my position here on it. I have 4 contracts, currently down $1,300 total, and most of that happened today. Alibaba is one of my strongest conviction holdings, so if it continues to fall, I will continue to buy, whether that's on no news or news that doesn't affect its fundamentals. I will continue to buy because Alibaba is so undervalued right now. It is so cheap right now. I can't buy enough Alibaba. I wish I had more money to buy. I can't wait for it to go down more so I can buy more. I want to turn Alibaba into a 5-figure options position if I can. So finally, let's hop back out. And the final stock of the day, xpeng. xpeng got destroyed today. It got absolutely destroyed, down 15% in one single day. Whoa, mama. That is a beating. Okay, that is a beating. If we take a look at my position, this is nasty. This is ugly. This is disgusting. I have 15 contracts in total, down $6,284. A lot of this is actually from when the correction was happening. Contracts that I bought before the correction happened that got completely annihilated. These is nothing new. These are just terrible contracts that I have to try and flip for better ones in the future when xpeng decides to stop dying. So that's it for these four. Now let's hop over to the spreadsheet so we can take a look at exactly what it is that I bought and sold today. So here you have it, guys. Starting with this top one first, it says quantity 4. I really only bought 2 today. The thing is, I had 2 of these same contracts previously, so I just grouped the 4 of them together. xpeng, strike price $35, break even $39.95 for July 16th. Got 4 of those contracts, an average price of $495 for each contract, to total $1,980 for that trade. Secondly, I bought more xpeng because, I mean, guys, come on, xpeng fell 15% today. So I think I bought some when it fell at 7%, and then I bought some again right at the end when it was down 50%. I mean, I couldn't resist. It was an extra 7% discount. And all 4 of these I actually did buy today. So I bought 4 contracts, strike price of $30, break even of $36.45, again for July 16th, an average cost of $645 for each contract, total $2,580 on that trade. And then, of course, you guys know I had to buy Baba. If Baba falls, I will be buying Baba. Okay, I want to make Baba my highest position, which it already is, but again, I want to make it 5 figures. So, Alibaba, I bought 1 contract, $235 strike price, $251 break even, with an expiration of June 18th. This one I actually bought not to hold it long term. If I want to hold a contract long term, I'll make it as far out as possible. So if you see me buy a contract with an expiration date that's slightly less than usual, that means that I kind of just want to swing it a little bit. So this one I'd probably get rid of if ABBA goes back up closer to around 240, just so I can take some profit off the table. So yeah, I paid $1,600 for this one. And then lastly, right at the end of the day, again, right when Baba was around $230, I bought another contract. Now this one I do want to hold on to. $230 strike price, a break even of $249.25 for July 16th. And I paid $1,925 for that contract. That one is a pretty expensive contract. It's a pretty expensive one. But I'm pretty sure this one is going to print a lot of tendies for me. I can't wait to see how high Baba wants to go after this whole debacle is over. And this is going to be a very beautiful contract. You guys will see. So that's it for the buying. Now, I do have to admit, I know you guys have seen it up here in red. Yes, I sold Palantir. I had to. It hurts, but I had to. Okay, I sold Palantir. It's ridiculous. I bought Palantir March 23rd, sold it the next day for a $200 loss. But today was a very special day for me in particular because one of my biggest holdings, xpeng, fell 15%. So I had to take advantage. I had to do what I had to do. So I actually sold this Palantir off, took a $180 loss, got back close to $1,000 for it, and threw that right into xpeng, right into these xpeng contracts. So yes, I kind of flipped Palantir for xpeng. But me personally, I like Palantir. It's a really good company, but I would prefer to have xpeng at $30 rather than Palantir at $22. Yeah, I could turn out to be wrong. Maybe I should have kept the Palantir and just hold off on the xpeng. But I already have a bunch of contracts on xpeng, so I want to average xpeng down as much as I can. So that's why I did what I did. And yes, if xpeng and Baba keep falling, I will have to sell out of Palantir and even AMD to get back that capital and throw it into these two. So, if you guys couldn't tell by now, xpeng and Alibaba are basically the two main trades that I want to keep no matter what. So there you have it, guys. That is it for today. That is the update. I guess I should mention that I have about only $1,600 cash left. So I don't have much cash left. I threw a lot into the market today. I mean, if you add this up, I don't even know what this equals to. Like 1,900, 1,600, 3,600. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of thousands of dollars that I threw into the market today. Was it a little too much, too quick? Maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. There's probably going to be more pain tomorrow. If I had to take a guess, I would actually assume that tomorrow would be a rather flat day, maybe a little bit of a down day, and then Friday is when we'll really feel the pain. So if tomorrow we don't get a lot of pain, I probably won't do any more buying. I've already bought enough. I'm good with the contracts that I bought, and now it's time to just be patient and let this market fall all that it wants to fall. If it falls too much, and I think we've over exaggerated on the selling, well, then I'll just continue to buy what I can buy. But at this point, I'm just going to chill. I'm going to relax. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. It should be pretty interesting. If you like this video, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow, or so I've been told. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.